What's up everyone, it's me again, Sam, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you what's in my desk/study table. So I have this two books. One is a Wattpad book. Ginamit ko siya as base for this touch lamp warmer para mas ma-elevate siya. Multi-purpose siya. You can use this as lamp, and then you can also put some scented oils or wax candles over here. So next item is this one. So I bought it at Gaisano. This is a fake succulent plant. What I like about this one is maganda yung ito niya, pot. Para siyang cement na mayroong nakascope dito na. And then I got this from our home from Robinson's Galleria. I bought this one. Plano ko mag-resign from work. I was really afraid that yung feeling na okay ba kung mag-resign, new work environment na naman. So yun. And when I saw this, never be afraid of change, I realized that sometimes we need to change for us to grow. Think of the brighter side of everything. So, parang yun. So, nilagay ko siya dito sa table for inspirational. And I have here next is, this one is actually a saucer pan. Saucer? Saucer? Or yung parang plate para pang sauce. And then, I bought it from Home World for 34.75 pesos. And this is where I put all my, yung parang usual ko na gamitin. Ito, gift to sa akin. Then, mga hair clips. So, next is this item. I got this one from our garland ceremony in Sibodok. That's 2009 pa to. Para ito yung Oscars kasi yung theme ng garland ceremony. And then, this was the souvenir. This one from Novo. Ito yung fake flower and rose na fake. Spot is, I got this one from our home. And is a tin can. I bought this from Gaisano Bugo. And actually, yung nilalagay ko na laman dito is yung mga wax candle. But unfortunately, mahirap siyang buksan. Ito, sayang, 3 layer pa laman to. 1, 2, 3. So, you can really stack a lot of items here. Pero, yun nga, mahirap siyang buksan. So, hindi ko na lang siya nilagyan muna. Isipan ko muna kung ano ilalagay ko dyan na hindi masyadong nagagamit. And then, here is my highlighter. And this one is actually a mug. Mug lang to siya na nilagyan ko ng washi tape or pencils, scissor. And this is actually a keyboard brush. So, ginamit ko siya to brush away dust sa keyboard. Fun fact, this bookmark was given to me when I was still vlogging as in BLOGGING. So, they sent me this one, this bookmark, and it comes with a, yung porcelain pen. So, I forgot kung asan ko na nalagay yung porcelain pen. So, I got this organizer, rack organizer from Novo. It's actually color green, and then it doesn't fit on the room color, so I changed or color painted it with gold. So, this is it. Ta-da-da! And then, on the top shelf, so let's start over here. So, this one, I got this. right drawer is where I put my watches. Ito, mga watch ko. And then, here are the wax candle that I use for my touch lamp warmer. These are my scented oils. Extra bulb, different sizes and shapes of band-aids, just in case, diba? Over here are my adapters. So, here is my, ito is yung lens ko na Fujinon 35mm na lens from Fujifilm. So, sorry if medyo shaky yung video kasi one hand. My card holder na walang laman. So, here, left drawer are ito yung mga items from here. Ito yung calculator, old iTouch, mga string, nail stickers, mga scissor, and then my mga accessories na char. And here, sealer. Ito, sealer to. And then here are my paper clips. And over here are my sticky notes. Sticky notes. Ito, sticky notes. And this is my washi tape. Gold washi tape. So, this is what I use for this one. I got this divider at SM, same with the other one. This one is from, I think, Miniso or Yuyoso. So either. Of course, before I end this video, I would like to congratulate at its Mary Claire for winning my first ever giveaway. Congratulations and thank you for joining, and of course thank you to everyone who joined the giveaway. It for today's video, and I hope I imparted something useful or helpful, and of course if it does, don't forget to leave love and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now and see you on my next